This magnificent custom home on Hamilton Lake has it all: a beautiful house, a stunning view, and an amazing lot. Entering the home, you'll love the modern design of the open concept. You're greeted by a towering fireplace with a stone facade and tons of large windows bringing in copious amounts of natural light. The kitchen is adorned with striking black cabinets set against gorgeous granite countertops. Breakfast bar seating at the island and a formal dining nook complete this space. All the bedrooms are generous in size and have bathrooms that are attached. On the lower level, a living space and a wet bar provide a perfect setting for entertaining friends and family. Additional rooms and a bathroom can be found on this level as well. The walkout patio and the deck provide stellar views of the lake and are the perfect spot for enjoying your morning cup of coffee and watching the sunrise. This property is bursting with detail and beautiful design, and its location provides a getaway destination in your own backyard. Contact Lindsay Walker Moore to learn more about life on Hamilton Lake and how you can make it your reality.